How can I maximize momentum? Just like that.
Oh yeah.
We found it.
Mario time.
Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Muy interesante. A lava level, Courageous George. Courageous George sounds interesting. Let's try Courageous George. Thanks, Alejandro. Marshall, Sonia, Heidi. Thanks, Maria, Susie, Edith. Oh, buddy. What? Why is there a checkpoint there? Whoa, that was cool. All right, this seems cool, but what's going on up top? Good night, George. I can't even get there. Okay, so that must be... Okay. All right, I like it. I like it. We got some Kaizo tricks here. These are Kaizo tricks in the world of Super Expert. That's what we want. All right. There's all types of checkpoints here. I let go too late. Oh, yeah, good idea, Eric. There we go. Still too late. I gotta release the shell just a tiny bit earlier than that, so I can actually bounce off of it. Here we go. That'll work. What? I think I need to throw the spring first. That was too early. I finally threw it too early. Are the supporter stickers something Facebook made for streamers? No. No, most of my stickers were made by Alista Kirby, an awesome artist who goes by Mr. Squeaksy on Instagram. Definitely not always family friendly. He was someone that used to come by the stream a lot. In any case, he made most of the stickers. M made the Get Me Out of Here sticker. And Abby created... Wait, I definitely did. I missed the spring. Abby made the grilled cheese sticker. So we've had 3 artists contribute to the sticker situation. Why am I not getting the spring anymore? What did I do to get the spring last time? What's up, Ben? Oh, that time it worked. So it's not. It wasn't hitting the note block. Like that. There we go. That's the move. It's the note block. Yeah, maybe. Well, that's the thing. There's a Ritz sticker ready to go. I just hesitate to tag that in, having not heard anything from Ritz. You know what I mean? It's like, it's one of those things where it's like, how much of your cards do you want to put on the table up front? That's what we're looking for. No. No, no, no. Okay, right positioning, but I just threw the shell too early. No, now I missed the note block. Yeah, the cheese toasty. That was from Abby. What's up, Todd? Oh. Now I know why it's not. I have to be flush up against the wall for that trick to work. There we go. That's a lot easier. Once again, Patty Boy making it harder than it needs to be. Almost. Okay, this level's awesome. This level is really cool. That's not gonna fly. I tapped up at the wrong time, and it threw the shell up. I need the shell to throw against the wall. That's too late. It's gonna hit me in the face. But the positioning was good. If the shell hits Mario, you're throwing it too late. That's too late. Got to throw it earlier than that, Pat. I can't think of it as get in position, then release. I have to be thinking of both at the same time. And that's too early. And that's the problem with dividing your attention on 2 tasks. You're not likely to do either of them that great. And we got to do both perfectly. He's floating. That was closer. That was closer, but now I'm throwing the shell too early. I've got to throw the shell just a tiny bit later. That should do it. Nope, even that was too early. You see just how fine of a line it is? You see how fine of a line it is on this move? Oh, wow, 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 wow. Tag Nabisco. Tag whoever you could think of, Jan. Tag them all. Tag them all. See if anybody says anything. Like that. Bro. The only place to watch the new Mario movie is in theaters until next month, and then it's released digitally. Snoopy? Oh, come on, Patty boy. Come on, come on. Feel it. Feel the vibration. Too early. Man, this has proven to be a tough trick. Gotten it a couple times, but wow. All right, let's do it this time, people. I think that's right. Yeah, that is right. I just didn't get enough height. All right. Fair enough. Thanks, Andy. What? Oh, I'm doing the wrong trick. Okay. Thankfully, it's an easier trick than I thought it was. Is there ground there, though? I'll have to watch on the way up. Ugh. Bottom right. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Brandon. I thought I had to go up and over the spike, but that was not correct. I need to go under the spike to the right. It's not over, it's under. Bro, enough. Enough. There is some ground there. No mole with shell on top. No block. It's because I wasn't all the way up against the on-off switch. Not even close timing-wise. Way too late. Got to throw the shell earlier. No! Progress. Don't reset. You have a checkpoint. Progress. Like I said, much easier trick than I thought it was. Way too late. Okay, so I'm consistently throwing it too late. Well, I guess I can't say that because I keep going back and forth between too late, too early. That's too late. Good luck, Eric. Thanks, Bobby. We're making progress. Man, okay, yeah. Fair to say, consistently too late. So, Pat, throw it early, but I know as soon as I say throw it early, I'm going to throw it too early. Nope, that was good. No. Yeah, that is devastating, Derek. And it's for that reason that when people ask, Pat, what do you hope to see in Mario Maker 3? My most consistent answer, what was that? Is restart from checkpoint. That's all we need, Derek, is an option restart from checkpoint. Too early. Now we switch back to doing it too early. Come on, Patty boy. Put it together. That's it. No! Am I going in that pipe? If I'm going in that pipe, then there's major cheese just by going to the left. No, and I reset. No, and I just did it. We got to see it in real time, Derek. I literally just did the exact thing we're talking about. I just lost the checkpoint because I reset the whole level because I didn't want to hear the death music. Okay, we might just call that a sign. Because this, we know there's still a third section, too. You'd think maybe the pipe is the... But there's no indication to get there. Well, I did get it fairly quickly. We'll give it a couple more tries since we got it right back. Come on, Pat. Come on. You know what? I bet you that is it. I bet you that is the pipe. I think Marshall's right. Okay, I think we almost got this section. We're almost done. Jan found an email. Send him one, Jan. Send him an email. Oh. Pat, focus up. I only got a couple minutes left. Do it right, Pat. Finish strong. Let's finish this second section, and then you got just enough time to get through a new third section. New item box would be awesome, Bobby. That would be awesome. I'm trying to follow the indicator. Looks like they don't do individual sponsorship. All right. Fair enough. Thanks, Jan. Pipe for the checkpoint? That's what we're thinking, Matthew. But why I'm confused is there's no indication to go to the pipe. The indicator's taking me the opposite way. I should try following the indicator once. Oh, Pat! Oh, I wish. Oh, what a silly mistake to make. I can't believe it, Patty boy. I'm so focused on getting to that ending. Just so we can at least know what's through the pipe. Oh, but I can't. I'm not going to get there. It's already 11:01. Oh, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Thanks, Edith. I'll give it 5 more tries. There's one. There's one. There's 2. There's 2. 3 more tries. Last try. Last try. Okay, one more try. One more try, final try, no matter what. There it is. All right, we'll come back to it someday. We'll come back to it someday. Oops, I meant to hit this button. All right, so thanks so much for hanging out. I'll be back on Sunday. No streams tomorrow, but got some great content coming at you. A reel in the daytime. We got Best Run Yet. I think it might even be the conclusion of the Best Run Yet. It's either the second to last episode or the last episode. Check that out. Show it some love. And then we'll be back on Sunday. So, thanks so much for hanging out. And if you are someone that struggles with depression or anxiety, you are not alone in that struggle, my friend. That's something I struggle with, and there are a lot of us struggling. So if you're one of them, make sure you got someone in your life you can talk to about it, a friend, family member, loved one, or therapist, and try to get some movement in your life. Take a walk outside. Find a way to move that you don't dread can make a big difference in your day, your physical health, and your mental health. So I encourage you with that. Hope to see you soon. Have a great night, great Saturday. Hope it's a great time for you. Maybe the best day of life. Maybe it'll be the best Saturday of your life. You never know. I hope it is. And I'll catch up with you on Sunday. Have a great rest of your night.